we supposed to smile or act natural?
What's wrong, Catherine?
I'm trying so hard. It's so embarrassing. I don't know why you made that. You want this?
Say hi to Mom.
Hi, Mom. Mom, look at all the clothes we're giving away. Mommy, I'm so sorry. She's been crying this whole time because she feels so bad. I'm so sorry. I'm a terrible daughter. That's why I'm your girl, right? I'm your girl.
Tears.
Hey, Mom, I never wore that one. We had more money when you bought it. That was okay.
Just don't let them find you.
Oh, and also there's a shirt down there that might be yours, but we gave it away. I'm sorry. We'll get it out for you.
Say bye.